Hey guys, so we got some news yesterday, and I kind of wanted to dive a little bit more into it before I really talked about it. So what you're looking at is a photo from Level 99. What is Level 99? Level 99 is known as a interactive gaming experience. This is a company that's based out of Massachusetts. Um, it's competitive social gaming. There's supposed to be brain teasers. It says that it's for all ages and it brings real world physical and mental challenges to the variety of gaming. So why are we talking about Level 99? Because they announced they're coming to Disney Springs. This is going to be Level 99's fifth location. It's also going to be its largest location. Where is this going? This is going in the former NBA experience. Yes, the very short lived NBA experience. And before that, what a lot of people know is Disney Quest. What is Disney Quest? Let's talk about it. So, this is what Disney Quest was. When Disney Springs was downtown Disney, we had Disney Quest, interactive adventures, as you can see. It was indoors, all enclosed, and it was designed to have a new way, a more techy way to game. I remember going there when I was younger and doing a virtual reality type of boat ride, and we could create our own roller coaster and ride in a capsule. It was really really cool. So it opened in 1998, and of course the flaw of Disney Quest is the technology is constantly changing. So, of course, it didn't keep up with the times. It closed in 2017, which honestly was probably longer than it should have stayed open because I don't remember stuff ever getting updated. Like I said, I went there when I was younger. I did the college program at Disney in 2010, and I never went in because they didn't update anything. So for it to last till 2017 was actually pretty long. They actually didn't realize this until I was digging through it, but they actually had more than one location of Disney Quest. They had one in Chicago, which I didn't even know was going to happen, and they closed the Chicago one in 2001. But I mean, like, it was a really cool experience when it was first there. Um, so that closed. It went through many different things, and of course, we got the short faded NBA experience. But why am I talking about Disney Quest? Because, in my opinion, Level 99 is a new form of Disney Quest. So I feel like this is going to be a perfect fit. So let's look at some of the photos that we see of Level 99. So, like, here's one photo, which you see she's listening to a speaker. So there's going to be some kind of interactive thing. I don't know if it's an escape room or what this is, but all the photos I've seen like one said it was like a crystal puzzle. Everything is interactive, work brain puzzles. It just looks really cool. And I see how they're going to easily be able to update and keep in with new technology. And like I said, this is the fact that this is going to be the fifth location. It, of course, is going to take up the two stories. There's also going to be a bar, which, hey, anything with a bar at Disney Springs should be a good thing, in theory. But yeah, this should be a great addition to Disney Springs. I'm excited for it to get here because I feel like the nostalgia of Disney Quest is going to be basically, this is kind of like Disney Quest 2.0. That's how my brain is gonna take it. So let me know in the comments below. Are you excited for Level 99? Do you see this like I see this? Like, hey, this is going to be a new Disney Quest for all of us that got to experience Disney Quest. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.